Hey guys, so in this video, let's test the battery life of the GoPro Hero 10 Black and let's compare it to the GoPro Hero 9 and Hero 8 Black. So in this video, I'm going to do 5 different battery tests. So first, let's start with 5K60. And since only GoPro Hero 10 Black can do it, so let's see how it performs on its own. Alright, and after 20 minutes of recording, GoPro Hero 10 Black is around 51 degrees. Alright, so it seems that the GoPro Hero 10 Black just died, so let's see how hot it is. So after 23 minutes of recording, GoPro Hero 10 Black is around 52 degrees hot. And it has around 46% of the battery left. Now let's try 5K 30 frames per second, but this time let's compare it to GoPro Hero 9 and Hero 8 Black. Okay, just before I do this test, I would like to quickly remind that GoPro Hero 8 Black has a slightly smaller battery. That's gonna be around 1220 milliamperes, whereas both Hero 9 and Hero 10 gonna have a bigger battery, which is 1720 milliamperes. But all of these cameras have exactly the same micro SD card, 64 gigabytes V30. Okay, so let's quickly check the battery on the GoPro Hero 8 Black. And the Hero 8 Black is completely dead, it doesn't respond. And now let's check it quickly on the GoPro Hero 9 Black. And GoPro Hero 9 Black has around 9% of battery life left. And finally, let's check it on the GoPro Hero 10 Black. How much percent of battery life it has. And GoPro Hero 10 Black has around 3% of battery life left. Now, let's set GoPro Hero 10 Black to 4K 120 frames per second and let's compare it to 4K 60. Okay, so let's quickly check GoPro Hero 10 Black temperature. And GoPro Hero 10 Black is around 54 degrees hot. Okay, so let's quickly check the GoPro Hero 9 Black. And GoPro Hero 9 Black is around 52 degrees hot. And lastly, let's check on the GoPro Hero 8 Black, and GoPro Hero 8 Black is around 56 degrees hot. So let's quickly check the battery in the GoPro Hero 10 Black. And GoPro Hero 10 Black has around 52% of the battery left. And let's quickly check on the GoPro Hero 9 Black. And GoPro Hero 9 Black has around 53% of the battery left. And lastly, let's check it on the GoPro Hero 8 Black, which is really hot honestly. And GoPro Hero 8 Black has around 17% of the battery left. So GoPro Hero 10 Black just died after only 18 minutes and 30 seconds. It seems that 4K 120 frames per second comes with a cost and the camera has to work really hard. Now let's set all of these cameras to 4K 60 and see how they perform. So let's quickly check the battery life of the GoPro Hero 9 Black. It died as the first one in this test, so GoPro Hero 9 Black has around 50% of the charge. Now GoPro Hero 8 Black. And GoPro Hero 8 Black has around 10% of the battery left. And finally GoPro Hero 10 Black, which has around 27% of the battery life. And lastly, let's set all of these cameras to 4K 30 frames per second. That's gonna be our last test. Alright guys, so that was our last battery test for today, and I just wanted to remind you that that was a static test in which the camera is constantly recording. Probably when you are going to use your GoPro, there's gonna be some wind blowing, there's gonna be some colder temperature. So when you're going to use your GoPro and you're going to use quick capture feature, when you hit the record and stop it after a few minutes, this camera gonna last you much longer. Anyway guys, I just wanted to thank you for taking your time and voting in the poll that I created on the community page on YouTube. I also want to thank you for all the suggestions and feedback, because after all, I'm doing this content for you. And remember, if you would like to see some specific example or specific comparison between these cameras, just simply let me know. Anyway guys, for today's video that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it and you enjoyed it and you learned something from it. And if you did, then as always guys, give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, smash the notification button so you don't miss my future content, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!